Jasper AI will change your copywriting forever. Are you a content writer or a freelancer? Do you want to save time and manual effort by designing your content with a single click? Do you need help producing the content required for high-quality conversions? Are you a marketer looking for a tool to help create high-quality content for your clients? If your answer is yes, then the Jasper AI tool is what you need. And in this video today, we are introducing you to the Jasper AI tool that will surely change your copywriting forever. But before we begin, subscribe for more uploads like this. Here we begin! A small team from Austin, Texas created Jasper AI. Their office was voted the best place to work in Austin for 3 years in a row. And you might recognize the people who stand behind Jasper. This is because they appear on dozens of stock images. Dave Rogan-Moser is the CEO, Austin Distel is the CMO, and John Philip Morgan is the CTO. These individuals are supported by a dedicated team of professionals who are in charge of a fantastic tool. Jasper AI has the potential to be a game changer in terms of increasing conversion rates and SEO positioning. Its training is primarily provided by copywriters and conversion experts with over a decade of experience, so the content standard is extremely high. This also saves a lot of time in producing high-quality content. This tool uses artificial intelligence technology to perform tasks such as writing and creating high-converting copy for your advertisements, emails, landing pages, website headlines, long-form articles, posts for social media, blogs, listings, and much more. It is without a doubt an incredible tool for anyone having difficulty designing their content and requires a writing tool among AI tools for SEO. What exactly is AI copywriting? AI copywriting is a relatively new technology that employs artificial intelligence to generate optimized text. It will improve the quality of your writing, optimize it for SEO, and assist you in increasing conversions. This is accomplished by generating text based on your supplied information, such as a topic or keyword list. The system works by analyzing data from other websites to write content that will increase the chances of higher click-through and conversion rates. The AI copywriter can create marketing copy for any type of business, not just blog posts and web pages. It writes copy at breakneck speed while maintaining high output quality. Benefits of using Jasper AI. It couldn't be easier to create email marketing content. Email marketing is extremely important in digital marketing. However, it is only effective if the email's content is compelling enough to entice recipients to act. Good email marketing can help your sales. The question is, however, how to create a good email content. We can only send the same email over and over, and we need new and interesting content every time, and Jasper is more than capable of completing the task for us. Jasper can help with not only good email content but also good ideas and creative subject lines to ensure your recipients open your email. No more empty pages. With the best automated article writing software, you can generate high-quality converting text for any content needs, regardless of industry or niche. Who requires AI copywriting? This conversational AI copywriting tool can help you quickly create high-converting copy, from long-form blog posts to social media posts. Creating content has never been easier or faster. In the digital world, content reigns supreme. It is the most widely used mode of communication on the World Wide Web. However, creating good content is a time-consuming and exhausting task, so the only options are not posting anything or spending hours writing good copies. Jasper can generate content faster than any human. Aside from that, it allows you to edit the content before saving and using it. Within a few seconds, you can have engaging and informative content. Increase social media participation. In today's world, social media has evolved into your go-to platform for all of your needs. One of the most important goals of social media is to generate leads and sell your products or services. Everyone now uses social media as a marketing platform. However, increasing your social media visibility is more complex. You will need to post engaging social media posts regularly. You can easily increase your social media engagement with Jasper's numerous templates. Jasper provides a plethora of templates that you can use and boost social media engagement. The Jasper interface is clean and straightforward. AI writing tools are a relatively new concept in the market, and as a newcomer, you may need clarification about how to use them. However, Jasper AI provides a user-friendly interface that is clean and simple enough for anyone. With a few clicks and inputs, you can have your content ready in seconds. Jasper provides over 50 content creation templates. Using these templates, creating content becomes very simple and quick. For example, PAS framework, Sentence Expander is one of the templates provided by Jasper, improver of AIDA framework content, topic for blog posts, more on Facebook ad headline, product information, answers from Quora, and etc. Jasper's content is free of plagiarism. With massive amounts of content fed to the web daily on almost every topic, creating original content that is 100% plagiarism-free and unique to the internet becomes extremely difficult and time-consuming. Jasper AI can help you create 100% plagiarism-free content in a matter of seconds, speeding up your entire content creation process. It allows you to quickly create social media posts, blogs, articles, emails, and more. Your only effort in creating original and relevant content consists of providing a brief description of your content. To be specific, what are you looking for? A relevant title, a list of keywords, and other related inputs. Pricing and affordability of the tool. Jasper's starter plan is designed for people new to AI writing tools. If you need a quick way to create headlines, product descriptions, or short reviews for social media posts, this is the tool for you. When you purchase the lowest tier package, which costs only $29 per month, you receive 20,000 words plus bonus word packs of 5K each at no extra cost. Starter plan benefits include 20,000 credits per month, 6,000 character lookback access to over 50 templates, including ads, headlines, and descriptions, as well as unlimited user access and projects. Boss Mode. The Boss Mode is designed specifically for those who want to create long articles and is ideal if you need a large amount of content, such as blog posts or emails. Because there are 50,000 words included, you can use this plan for any type of writing project. It starts at $59 per month but quickly rises, so remember our standard bonuses: 30K extra bonus words for free and an easy refund policy. Boss Mode features 50,000 word credits per month, 3,000 characters look back, commanding Jasper to create the type of content you want, recipes, and SEO mode. In addition, a plagiarism checker, Grammarly Basic, 50+ copywriting templates, 25+ supported languages, and priority chat support are all included. Increase your ROI today in Boss Mode. Use AI for copywriting to improve the effectiveness of your marketing messages. With optimized copy for everything from emails to product descriptions, Jasper will help you to get a better ROI on your marketing efforts. In addition, AI copywriting tools can assist affiliate marketers, e-commerce stores, business owners, entrepreneurs, and bloggers write better copy more quickly. Will AI eventually replace copywriters? Human intervention is always required. AI copywriters are still in the early stages of development and will require significant time to improve their ability to generate content without human intervention. However, thanks to the recent advancements, artificial intelligence can now generate more text for a wider range of marketing purpose than ever. What does the future of copywriting look like? At this moment, AI is not a replacement for human copywriting. Rather, it is a supplement to human copywriting. It's more of a useful tool in your marketing arsenal to help you improve or expand your content and generate ideas. As GPT-3 writing assistant technology advances, AI copywriting will only improve. The Jasper AI helps you to save time and stress, obtain the results you desire faster, increase your website traffic and revenue. Jasper is ideal for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, marketing agencies, and assistants who want to increase their conversion rates. Jasper Boss Mode makes it so simple and quick that you can spend more time doing what you enjoy. What do you think of Jasper AI? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more videos like this.